Hello everyone. Now we will do computer. In the last period, we had learned about the taskbar and the start button in chapter number 2, MS Windows 7. Now we are going to the next topic, that is switching off the computer. Now we know how to start the computer and which screen appears in front of us on the monitor. Now we will learn about how to switching off the computer. So here it is given switching off the computer. Once you have finished working, you must switch off or shut down the computer carefully. To shut down the computer, follow these steps. जब भी कंप्यूटर बंद करना है तो हमें वो बहुत ध्यान से बंद करना चाहिए and we have to follow some particular steps. First step, click the start button. The start menu opens. Whenever we are clicking on start button, one menu appears. Now go to the next page. Then second step, click the shutdown button in the right pane of the start menu. As we click on as we click on start button, a menu appears and the option is there, shutdown, in the start menu. The shutdown option, the shutdown button is there on the right pane of the start menu. Now all of you know that what is right pane and what is left pane. So on the right pane, right pane of the start menu, shutdown button will appear. And then third one, the messages logging off and the shutting down will appear. Sometimes in the laptop you will see the options sleep, shutdown or reboot, and in the desktop you can see logging off or shutting down. These two options will appear. In a few seconds the monitor will turn black, and after shutting down, after few seconds the monitor will turn black. Now switch off the power button on the monitor. Then we have to switch off the power button of monitor. Then switch off the UPS. Afterwards we have to switch off UPS and switch off the power supply. At the last we have to switch off the power supply. Sometimes we keep the power supply button on to charge the UPS battery. कई बार हम पावर सप्लाई बटन चालू रखते हैं क्योंकि उससे यूपीएस की बैटरी को हमें चार्ज करना होता है. बट इन शॉर्ट वी हैव टू स्विच ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मॉनिटर, यूपीएस एंड देन power supply button. These are the steps to shut down the computer. And yes, we don't have to shut down the computer directly from the power supply button. For example, if you are drawing something, your drawing is completed and afterward you don't want to do any work, so you directly switch off the power supply button. It is wrong, because before shut down the computer we have to follow these steps. That is very necessary. So remember that how to switch off the computer. Now power modes of the computers. Now whenever we are switching on, which type of options are there, power modes are there, that we will see. The shutdown mode closes all open programs along with the Windows operating system and then completely turns off the computer. It will not save your work, so you must do so before shutting down the computer. See, once you had clicked on the shutdown button, computer is going to shut down all the programs. If you had not closed the program, then computer automatically it closes the program, but without saving. Computer is not saving any program by itself. That we have to do. So we have to remember, if we are going to shut down the computer, first of all we have to close all the program, and whatever is necessary, whichever the file we had made, if it is important, then we have to save, and then afterward we have to click on shutdown button. Then the sleep mode automatically saves all your work in memory and then turns off the computer. In sleep mode, the computer uses very little power. Upon exiting sleep mode, you return to the same screen where you left off. Exiting sleep mode takes very little time. See, if you are doing some work and afterwards you have to go elsewhere and you are keeping your computer switch on only. So at that time, if you are not doing any work for few minutes or for some time, you can keep your computer in your sleep mode. In the sleep mode, what happens? Computer saves all work in memory and it uses very little power. वो बहुत ही कम पावर कंज्यूम करता है और हमारा जो भी वर्क है वो सेव करके रखता है. So that is why sleep mode, if you are doing your work and if you don't want to do for some time only, you can use sleep mode for shutting down the computer. Then the next one, the hibernate mode automatically saves your work on the hard disk and then turns off the computer. In this mode, the computer uses even lesser power than in sleep mode. Upon exiting the hibernate mode, you return to the same screen where you left off. However, exiting hibernate mode takes more time than exiting sleep mode. ये hibernate mode है, वो हमारा पूरा जो काम होता है वो पूरा सेव करके it saved on the hard disk and then turns off the computer. In this mode, computer uses even less power than sleep mode. Sleep mode में भी जितना power use होता है उससे भी कम power hibernate mode में होता है. But whenever you are starting it again, it takes more time than sleep mode. Sleep mode में अगर आपने बंद किया है तो चालू करने में ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता है. But if you use hibernate mode, तो it takes time to open the computer, then exiting mode in sleep mode. Now, normal mode and safe mode. In this mode, first one, normal mode. In this mode, Windows load with all files and drivers required for proper functioning of the computer. Normal mode मतलब whatever we are switching on the computer and whatever that we can see, and Windows loads with all files and drivers, that is normal mode. And now safe mode means what? In this mode, Windows loads with a limited set of files and drivers. If your computer starts in safe mode, it means there is a problem with the computer. It gives you a chance to correct the problem. See, if computer starts in safe mode, then it is like that, it shows us red light. It means what? If there is any problem in the computer, so we have to check whatever the problems are there in computer. It shows us if computer started in safe mode. कंप्यूटर जब भी सेफ मोड में स्टार्ट होता है तो वो हमें दिखाता है कि कंप्यूटर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. सो it gives us chance to correct the problem. So these are the two modes of computer, normal mode and safe mode. And now go to the next page. See, okay, now this chapter is over. This is the technical terms that we had done in the chapter whenever I had explained the chapter. So you just read these terms, and then these are also important points it is important to start and shut down a computer in proper way. All these sum up topics, sum up points are there that you have to read it and try to remember this. And as I told you in GK, computer is also important for you, not only for your exams, but you have to prepare for your knowledge also. So it increase your knowledge and you can do work in computer without any problem. So I hope all of you understood in this chapter, and now we will do this exercise and everything in the next period. But today you have to read the whole chapter and try to revise all the point that we had learned in this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.